Okay, everybody. Stroke motor. We got Leo's motor laid out. That one's getting rebuilt. We're gonna get the top end done on this thing real quick. I got gaskets for it right here. So we're gonna toss these on that thing. Get her all dialed.
Sleep in that old bed. I never forget a damn word you said. Say it's over, we're done, we're finished. Go on and get out. I get out. And my heartbeat sound like rain on the rooftops, dancing with a slut in a red and black tube top. Go for a ride and baby, it won't stop there. And I'm headed for the coast underneath the moonlight, asphalt's glowing underneath the street lights, thinking about your big green eyes and your jet black hair. Oh, does I stop and say? Oh, does I stop and say?
About to start up the Ford. Get this thing warmed up because we're gonna go get some paint for my motor and for Keith's stuff. His clappers, if you will. 291,000. Holy shit, shut up. Let that warm up before we go. Got degreaser too. Gonna get this shit all cleaned up, paint it. Or first we're gonna put it together, and then we're gonna paint it, and or clean it and paint it, and we're good. Let's get this done. All right, y'all. We're gonna go paint my motor. XR200 232 stroker, fresh rebuild. Got it together last night. Pressure washed it today 3 times because it was so covered in oil from when the head gasket blew. Gonna put those in there so they can get nice and pressurized. Got these 2 bungees, or 4 bungees. Got 4 bungees to hold the engine up. 200 motors don't have a flat bottom, like at all. So yeah, it's probably warm enough now. Make sure the thing's dry. Yeah, I had to pressure wash the thing 3 times just to get the grease off. I hand washed it with foaming degreaser, like a full can of it, using an entire can multiple times last night, and didn't work very good. Greasiest engine I've ever cleaned, period. Mostly just because I had like a film of oil on it the whole time that wouldn't come off. Now it's not bad. It's paintable now. Before, it was not. Oh, that's just sopping wet. Okay. This has easily been the most prep work I've ever done to paint something. Ever. I've cleaned this thing by hand probably 10 times, and by pressure washing it, like full on gun pressure washing it, 4 times. So, or 3 times. Oh, the intake is full of water too. That's cool. It's got one of these dumb caps. Shit smells delightful. looks like shit. God. Smells like ass. Honestly, looks like shit. Looking at that paint, if it decides to stay that color, if I don't have enough to make it, like, because it's black underneath, so it's really hard to get enough on there. If the can doesn't have enough in it, then I'm just gonna have to end up using this stuff right here, acrylic enamel. It's automotive grade, so okay, this is good to 200 degrees. So I think if I can get a nice thick coat of the high heat stuff, if I don't have enough, then I will use that.
You were something that I love for what it's worth. She cussed a lie, was never found at church. She was a wicked woman who had it out for me. Still getting hard to sleep in that old bed. My eyes are black and their bloodshot red. And when I think of you, I find it